Right now, our inflation sentiment score sits at -0.30, which is notably below the historical baseline. What's more striking is the momentum at +0.53, indicating a sudden uptick in sentiment shifts. This suggests that there's a heightened urgency in how people are perceiving inflation, likely driven by recent economic events or news. With our API, you can access real-time sentiment data, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, which break down how various topics are being discussed. Imagine you're building an economic dashboard. This data can help you visualize trending sentiments about inflation, giving your users insights into public perception and potential market movements. For more details on how to integrate this into your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.